In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Gmail or Google account phone number in 2026, step by step. This is really useful if you've changed your number, lost access to your old phone, or just want to keep your Google account recovery details up to date. A current phone number can help you sign in more securely, recover your account faster, and stay in control of your Google services. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google account settings. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log in with the Gmail account you want to update. Once you're inside your Google account, look at the left-hand menu and click Personal Info. This is where Google stores your Bake profile details, including your name, birthday, recovery information, and phone number. Now, scroll down until you find the phone section under Personal Info. Here, you should see the phone number currently linked to your account. Click on that phone number and then select the edit option, usually shown with a pencil icon. Google may ask you to verify your identity before making changes, especially if this is sensitive account information. If prompted, enter your Gmail password and continue. This step helps make sure it's really you making the update. After that, you'll be able to add your new phone number. Carefully type in the new number you want to use and double check that the country code and digits are correct. Then click Next. Google will send a verification code to the new phone number you entered. Open the text message on your phone, type in the code exactly as shown, and complete the verification process. Once the code is confirmed, your Google account phone number will be updated successfully. At this point, add a moment to make sure the new number is saved correctly in your account. This is important because it can be used for account recovery, security alerts, and sign-in verification. If you no longer use your old number, updating it now can save you a lot of trouble later. And that's it. You've now updated your Gmail or Google account phone number in 2026. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference for account security and recovery. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Google account tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.